Namaste friends, this is Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This video is pertaining to letter A worked in filet crochet. The introduction to filet crochet is available in another video wherein each of the stitches is described in detail over there. I'll be giving the link for that video in the description box below. Further, how to work chainless foundation DC, even that video is available, so the link to that also will be given under this. Without wasting much time, let us begin this working of this fillet. So I will be explaining to you row by row. I'm not going to work and show because it's simple DCs, double crochets and chains that we are going to work and make this pattern. Okay, so I'm going to use a small tool. Yeah, the first row, this is considered as the first foundation row. This is made up of 61 chainless double crochets. For otherwise you can do 67 chains and work in the fifth chain and make one DC each and make this foundation row. This is row number 1. Row number 2 is read from left to right. One SS, that is one solid square, 18 open square and one solid square. Then row number 3. Once it is read from right to left, all odd numbers are read from right to left, and for convenience sake odd rows are the right side and even rows are the wrong side. So this is number 3. One solid square, 18 open square and one solid square. Row number 4, again read from left to right, solid square, 18 open square and one solid square. Now your pattern begins. This is row number 5, read from right to left. Here you have one solid square, 1 2 3 4 open squares, 1 2 3 solid squares, 1 2 3 4 5 6 open squares, 1 2 3 solid squares, 1 2 open squares and one solid square. Next, row number 6, one solid square, one open square, one solid square, 3 open square, one solid square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 open square, one solid square, 1 2 3 open square and one solid square. Next, row number 7, it is read from right to left. Solid square, 3 open square, 2 solid square, 2 open square, 1 solid square, 3 open square, 1 solid square, 2 open square, 1 solid square, 1 open square, 1 solid square, 1 open square and 1 solid square. Now next, row number 8, read from left to right. 1 solid, 2 open, 2 solid, 3 open, 1 2 3 4 5 solid, 1 2 3 4 5 6 open and 1 solid. This is row number 8. Row number 9, solid, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 open, 1 solid, 3 open, 1 solid, 3 6 7 open and 1 solid. Row number 10, read from left to right because it's even number. Solid, 1 solid, 3 4 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 open, 1 solid, 2 open, 2 solid, 5 open and 1 solid. Now row number 11, read from right to left because it's odd. 1 solid, 1 2 3 4 5 open, 1 solid, 2 open, 1 solid, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 open and 1 solid. Row number 12, read from left to right. 1 solid, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 open, 1 solid, 1 open, 2 solid, 4 open and 1 solid. Row number 13, 1 solid, 1 2 3 4 5 open, 2 solid, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 open and 1 solid. Row number 14, read from left to right. It's very simple. 1 solid, 18 open, 1 solid. So also 15, 1 solid, 18 open squares and 1 solid square. 16, 1 solid, 18 open squares, 1 solid. And the last is 1 DC in each of the DCs and 2 DC in chain spaces and you will have 61 DCs to end with. So like the first one, you have the last row also 61 DCs. This ends your letter A of filet crochet. Hope you enjoyed this and hope you make it, and do subscribe to Magic Needles. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when we upload new videos. Look out for letter B in the next video. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.